Place the carrier around your waist. Thread the waist strap buckle under the safety rubber band. Tighten the waist strap just enough so that you can still rotate the carrier. Pick up the baby. Align their knees with the edges of the body panel and smooth the carrier over their back. Throw the wrap straps over your shoulders. While holding the baby's back with one hand, lean forward carefully and grab both wrap straps. Arrange the straps to one side and rotate the baby onto your hip. Grab the waist strap in the front and turn the carrier fully to your back. Hold the straps at your neck and bring the opposite strap over your head to the other shoulder. Pull the wrap straps upward. Move your body slightly to help tighten the fabric so that the carrier would hold the baby well. Keep a firm grip on the straps and guide them backward under the baby's legs. Cross the wrap straps under the baby's bottom and bring them forward under their legs. Make sure the straps remain tight. Secure the wrap with a double knot.